Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you thought the Ford Bronco couldn't get any more retro, then buckle up because Ford is cranking up the nostalgia factor with the all-new freewheeling package for 2025. This package takes everything we love about the Bronco's throwback styling and body-on-frame construction and dials it up to 11. Let's dive in. For those of you who remember the original freewheeling package from back in the late 70s and early 80s, you'll get why this is such a cool addition. Ford originally offered it on a bunch of models like the F100, F150, Econoline vans, and of course, the classic Bronco. It was all about vibrant, sunset-inspired graphics that gave these vehicles a fun and adventurous look. Fast forward to today, and Ford has brought that same vibe back for the modern Bronco. The freewheeling package will be available on the 2025 Bronco's Big Bend trim, which is already a solid base, but the new package really transforms the look. The first thing you'll notice are the sunset-like graphics running along the sides, giving the Bronco a super cool vintage feel. The body color door handles are a nice touch, and the silver grille with red Bronco lettering just pops. It's like the 70s and 80s came back, but with today's tech. One of my favorite features has to be the wheels. The standard 17-inch gloss black steel wheels look great as is, but if you go for the Sasquatch package, you get this awesome set with a machined lip and red pockets that really stand out. It's those little details that make this version of the Bronco so special. Ford didn't stop at just making the exterior retro. Inside, the Bronco freewheeling is equally impressive. The seats feature these colorful inserts that match the exterior graphics, making the interior feel just as bold and adventurous. You'll also find these bright accents on the grab handles in the center console and the edges of the dashboard, adding a splash of color to the whole cabin. And as always with the Bronco, you've got roof options. There's the standard soft top, but if you want something a little sturdier, there's a removable hardtop in a molded in color, or you can go for the sleek shadow black painted roof. Ford really gives you the flexibility to choose what works best for your style and needs. As of now, Ford hasn't officially announced pricing for the 2025 Bronco lineup, but we expect the Big Bend trim with the freewheeling package to start around $42,000. We don't have an exact number for the package itself yet, but it's safe to assume it'll be an option worth checking out if you're all about that retro look. Expect the freewheeling equipped Bronco to be available starting in January 2025, so keep an eye out for that official pricing. So what do you all think? Does the freewheeling package hit the right notes for you? If you're as excited as I am, make sure you stay tuned. That's it for today's video, guys. If you liked this look at the 2025 Ford Bronco freewheeling package, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive news and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.